Okay, magandang hapon po mga kanumero. Nandito naman po tayo ulit para mag-discuss about mathematics. Sa mga nag-request dyan, shout out sa mga nagka-calculus. Nag-request ng calculus, Sir Ermi, shout out sa'yo. Para po to sa'yo. So, i-review po muna natin ang mga derivatives ng polynomial. Kasi ang focus natin, yung i-example natin mamaya is about the product rule. So, unahin muna natin yung apat na rule. So, unahin natin tong constant rule. So, the derivative of the constant is equal to 0. So, sabi sa rule, any constant daw na i-derivative mo automatically 0. Derivative of 100, derivative of 5, derivative of pi. So, puro yan 0. Basta wala pang variable. Basta constant siya. And then the next rule is the power rule. So, ito yung power rule. So, sabi, pag may exponent daw, x raised to, sabihin natin 10, pag dinerivative natin to is equal to, ibababa lang yung n, and then babawasan yung exponent. So magiging 10, the derivative of x raised to 10 is 10x raised to 9. So yan yung power rule. And then we have the constant multiple rule. Sabi, derivative of k times f of x is equal to k times the derivative of f of x. So actually yan, pag mayroong number dyan, pwede nyo i-combine itong dalawang solution o dalawang rule. Kasi sabi dyan, halimbawa 3x raised to 7, kokopyahin lang daw yung 3, and then i-derivative mo yung f of x, which is x raised to 7, which is 7x raised to 6, and then simplify. So magiging 21x raised to 6. Pero anong ibig sabihin kanina na pwedeng i-combine? Kasi yung iba, ginagawa na dyan, imbis na i-derivative to, multiply na. Kasi meron ng dating number. So 7 times 3 is 21. And then subtract 7 by 1. Kaya siya naging 21x raised to 6. And then also, we have the sum and difference rule. So separately daw, halimbawa meron tayong dalawang terms, tatlong terms na derivative, pwede mo siya i-derivative separately. Yun yung sum and difference rule. So ngayon, dito tayo ngayon pupunta sa product rule. So what is product rule? So halimbawa daw, paano mo mahahanap yung derivative ng product? So halimbawa, gamitin natin is UB. Ano ba yung formula? Kasi actually, nare-represent yung U as the first function, V is the second function. Kaya lang para mas madaling matandaan, ginagamitan ng UV. So ang formula is UB prime. So copy U, the first factor, and then derivative of the second factor, plus copy naman the second factor and then derivative of the first factor. Okay, so i-apply natin. So ang problem natin is f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3 times x squared plus 2x. Yan. So, this is the first factor, this is the second factor. So, para mahanap natin ang derivative niya, so f of prime x, so sabi sa formula, copy. So, magiging x cubed, copy the first term, and then the derivative of this. So, gamit yung kanina, power rule, so magiging 2x, baba, and then minus 1, plus, magiging 2, the derivative of 2x, kasi 1 minus 1 is 0. So, mawawala na yung x pag derivative. So, the derivative of this is 2x plus 2. Plus, baliktad naman. Ito naman, bu prime. So, copy the b. Alin yung b? So, ito yung b. So, we will have x squared plus 2x. And then the derivative of this is 3x squared. And then 3 is constant, so that is 0. So, pwede natin i-solve. Just simplify. So, magiging FOIL method na. So, that is 2x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed and then plus 6x and then plus 6. FOIL method. And then distribute 3x squared. So, we will have 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed. So, yun na siya. And then combine like terms, 2x raised to 4, so we will have 5x raised to 4 cubed. So we will have 8x cubed. Walang x squared, so plus 6x and then plus 6. So that is now the derivative of the given problem. F of x is equal to x cubed plus 3 and then x squared plus 2x. Okay. May mga time naman na kailangan na pwede naman pala ma-solve ng ibang solution na hindi gagamit muna ng product rule. Ito, pwede itong gamitin pag pwedeng i-multiply yung dalawang factor. So for this example, pwede natin ito i-multiply. So titingnan natin kung ito pa rin yung magiging sagot. So alisin muna natin ito. So this is method number 1. Ang ginawa natin, use the product rule, simplify. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, babalik na rin natin another solution. So given f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3 times x squared plus 2x. Ang gagawin natin is i-FOIL method. So magiging x raised to 5 then plus 2x raised to 4, multiply this to this, and then this, 3 times x squared is 3x squared, 3 times 2x is 6x. And then, what's the derivative of this? So, baba lang, 5, and then minus 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8, and x raised to 4 maging x raised to 3, and then 2 times 3 is 6, derivative of x squared magiging x na lang, and then derivative of 6x is 6. So, the same lang siya. So, another method siya. So, pwedeng i-multiply. Saka mo nahahanapin yung derivative. So, mas madali siya. So, depende rin minsan. Kasi may mga time na hindi naman talaga mamumultiply ito pag magkaibang function na. Sa ngayon, para silang polynomial, so pwede natin i-multiply. And that's all. Thank you.